Hi, I'm Wilf. Now, this Global Science Show is about art and science. Now, I have done some other arty and sciencey videos in the past, and today we're going to be talking about the four-colour theorem. The four-colour theorem states that you can colour any doodling of a maximum of 4 colours where no two boxes with the same colour can touch edges. But they can touch corners. And it was also the first ever theorem to be proven by a computer. Here's one I doodled earlier, and it uses 4 colours. I could even make a big blue shell around the edge if I wanted to. I don't, but still, it counts. So I originally just made a grid and then I drew a bunch of wiggly lines on it. You can do the same. Depending on your doodle, it can be simple and use 2 or 3 colours. Examples, a chessboard or maybe some tessellating equilateral triangles. Or they could be hard and use 4 colours. But they will never need 5 colours. You can always do it with only 4. But this doesn't work in real life maps, and the reason why is because sometimes a place can have a bit of territory here, and then it'll have another bit of territory, but it isn't connected over here. So that means you have to draw them the same colour, and that results you might need to use 5 colours. If they have 2 separate bits of land, then there's a chance that it will break the 4-colour theorem. Not always though. You might be able to figure it out. That's a challenge for you. So you get a piece of paper, get a black pen, draw some doodles, get 4 coloured pens maybe. So try it yourself whether your pattern is simple. And you can build up to the hard patterns that use 4 colours. And if you like this video, like and subscribe. Bye!